it's SUQQU. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about the latest SUQQU Autumn Winter Collection. I have quite a bit of products with me. Apart from those PR sent me, I also borrowed some from my makeup artist friend. I will be swatching 2 signature color eyes 106 and 107, 2 pure color blush 128 and 129, 2 tone touch eyes 107 and 108, and 5 sheer matte lipsticks shaded number 1, 4, 5, 7, and 8, plus 3 nail color polish 134, 136, and 137. I'm also going to try on the new version of the cream foundation, which will be available I think in September. So quite a bit of work to do. Let's start now. So let's have a look from Signature Color Eyes shade in 106. I'm really impressed by this eye qual because I think I've never seen anything similar from SUQQU before. The first shade, the moss green, it's matte texture, very high pigmented, easy to apply on, quite earthy tone with a little bit of yellow inside. It's just so beautiful. The next one, reddish brown, texture is close to matte, but I would say it's satin. You can see the tiny shimmer from this shade. Quite pretty, but if you have puffy eyes, you need to be careful with this color. The third shade, the glittery shade, it's a yellow base, light orange kind of fine glitters. The fourth shade, it's another matte shade, the toffee brown, very useful as a base color, so easy to blend out, almost no skill needed. The next one, 107, I wouldn't say it's the most unique color combination, but it's a very useful option. The first one, dark sand pink. It's matte texture, a very useful shade. The next one, grayish purple, the darkest shade from this quad, very useful as well. The third one, the glittery shade, basically translucent. You can see blue, purple shift from different angles, very fine glitters as well. The fourth shade, it's matte texture again, earthy tone, light brown with a tiny bit of green. And for Tone Touch Eyes 107, it's an antique gold glittery shade, feeling quite luxurious, obvious kind of glitters, but compared to some other brands, SUQQU still being elegantly shiny. Yeah, I quite like this one. For 108, it's a cool tone lavender glittery shade. Very beautiful as well, but me personally prefer 107 just because I like antique gold. Next, let's talk about Pure Color Blush 128. I really love 128. The texture is really close to matte. It can create a really subtle glow on your face. Nothing too crazy, not too much. With this warm tone, burnt orange shade, it's really suitable for summertime. I know it's autumn winter collection, but still. And for the lighter part, as I said it before, there is no crazy shimmers. So I would suggest just mix all the colors and apply as a blusher. It works really well. And for 129, you can definitely see the bigger part. It's a perfect shading color, not too yellowy, not too orangey. It just suits my yellow undertone so well. And with the small part on the right, you can definitely use this one as a blusher. I wouldn't suggest to mix all the colors together because for my yellow undertone, it might be a little bit too brown. I would suggest if you want to use 129 as a blusher, just apply the small part and use the bigger part to contour. Use them separately with different brushes. Okay, next one, let's talk about the sheer matte lipstick. These two are quite different. Now they sell the lid separately for environmental friendly reasons. If you just order the lipstick, you just receive something like this. Shade in number 1 is a very useful nude peach. High pigmented, tiny bit of shimmer. Yeah, very useful shade. And the next one, shade in number 4. It's a warm tone Bricky Red. Very useful as well. Shade number 5. It's a warm tone pumpkin orange. Yeah, I don't think I will use this one much, but I know it has been a big hit for the last couple of years in Asia. Okay, next one, number 7. It's a dark Bricky Brown, I would say. So this one, I assume I will use it quite often. Then the last one, number 8. It's a cool tone grapey purple. With the new cream foundation, the texture becomes thicker. It's not as sheer as the old one, but it has more coverage. The shade 110 is obviously not my shade, a little bit too fair for my skin color, but I'm not sure I will get a darker one because I like the sheer, I like the radiance from the old one, and it has a lot more color selection this time, so quite impressive. I think it will be available in September if I remember it right. With the nail color polish shade in 134, the dark mint green. On my nail, it can be darker if you apply on 2 layers. And for 136, a pumpkin orange. Looking quite nice, I have to say. And for 137, it's a little bit dark. Yeah, I know some people, they prefer this kind of colors. So here's what I thought about this SUQQU new autumn-winter collection. Let me know what you think. If you have any question about the colors or the texture, or you just really want to get something from this collection, leave a comment below and let me know. I will see you next time. Bye bye!